Hey all! Bathroom cleaning is something nobody likes to do, I'm sure. However, that feeling of a clean bathroom is unbeatable. This is how my weekend bathroom cleaning routine looks like, more or less. I will empty the bathroom as much as possible and then start with the cleaning. I'll be using all natural DIY cleaners today. It's easily available in the house and makes your bathroom shiny and clean. And why would you want to use homemade cleaning products? That's because it's non-toxic, cost-effective, safe for kids and pets, and a lot more. So this is a DIY solution of half water and half vinegar, plus a little bit of dish soap. I will also be using some baking soda and borax. I will start with emptying the countertops first. This is the best way I found to clean a ceramic sink. I will sprinkle some baking soda on the sink, then I will spray the DIY solution generously and let it sit for 15 minutes while I clean the rest of the bathroom. Moving on to the toilet bowl, which is normally our least favorite. It makes it sparkly clean. I'm making a solution of baking soda, borax and the DIY solution of vinegar, water and dish soap. These are all natural disinfectants, which is very effective. I will apply this solution to the toilet and let it sit for 10 minutes, and whatever is left in the bowl, I am going to drop it in the toilet bowl. Then I will scrub the toilet bowl well till I am satisfied that all the germs have died. I will let the paste sit for 15 minutes or so. I'm going to spray the DIY solution of vinegar, water and dish soap that I made in the beginning in the shower taps and faucets. I will let it sit for a few minutes and then scrub with a lemon slice. I usually do this every week so I don't have stubborn hard water stains. However, if you are facing hard water problem in your bathroom, you can use a solution of borax, baking powder and vinegar and let it sit for a few hours and then scrub with a lemon. It's really effective for all hard water stains. I'm going to do the same thing for the sink taps with lemon. The brush I'm using here, I find it really helpful for sink cleaning. The bristles are hard enough to remove any stains or dirt. Another tip here to avoid hard water stains is to always wipe away water from the taps, faucets, countertops, etc. whenever possible so that the leftover water doesn't dry up there, which causes the hard water stains and makes anything look ugly. I'm going to use the same DIY solution of vinegar, water and dish soap for the shower head. I will let it sit there for 10 minutes and this solution will help to open any blockage in the shower head. For mirrors, I use ready-made Kolin spray. I'm somehow very satisfied with how it cleans my mirrors. This cloth is one of my best find for mirrors. It doesn't leave any streaks. I will leave the link in the description box. This is a bathroom tool from IKEA and it is very difficult to manage since it's white. Also because Kaya uses it most of the time and it has all kinds of dirt marks, spots and a lot more. Using the same solution of vinegar, water and dish soap helps to keep it clean and white. I'm using a plastic bag to scrub the toilet bowl so that I can throw it away after I'm done cleaning, considering hygiene since it's a place like toilet bowl. For the floors, I'm going to use the same solution of vinegar, water and dish soap and spray it all over the bathroom floor. Vinegar acts as a disinfectant, at the same time cleans any surface really well. I will use a wiper to wipe down the excess water from the floors. I will open the window and let the air flow in and dry the bathroom while I will clean the cloth rags I used. In a bowl, I am going to take some laundry detergent, baking soda and boiling water and soak the rags for few minutes before I wash them. I will also wash the gloves in the same hot solution to disinfect them well. I will get back to arranging the bathroom. I will put a new cover for the dustbin and then keep all the things in their respective places. This toilet cleaner rim block is amazing. This helps the toilet bowl smelling fresh and nice and is a saver during lazy non-cleaning days. I will also keep the fresh hand and bath towels. Also, I will put back the bath mats which I normally machine wash once in 15 days. I will also put the used towels to wash along with other clothes in the laundry bin. This feels like an achievement every time since I hate cleaning the bathroom. I'm going to happily take a shower now after I switch off the camera. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching today's one and I'll see you soon. Bye.